Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the Geekbench performance test on Pop! OS 24.04 LTS. We are using the Geekbench 6.5 test suite and we will test the two kernels of Pop! OS. One is the generic kernel of Pop! OS and the other one will be the Licorice kernel on Pop! OS 24.04. Let us start. So in today's video we are going to do the performance test on generic kernel of Pop! OS. So I already opened up the folder where the Geekbench 6.5 test suite has been downloaded. I have unzipped the tar file and I have started with the command. So I have given the permissions for the Geekbench executable to execute on my system, and we will start the test immediately. You can see the test has started. The kernel is Linux 6.18.7-760/760/61807 generic kernel, and this is the model, that is the HP Pavilion gaming laptop I am using. The motherboard series, the BIOS version and the CPU information is given. So this is the same as what we used in other Geekbench test on different Linux distributions that we have done earlier. This is the last in the series of the Geekbench 6.5 test on different Linux distribution. Only we are changing the kernels and the Linux distributions. The system platform on which we are testing remains the same. So we are doing the test on bare metal, and the results are there for you to see on our channel. Different playlists are there. So for viewing the Geekbench test results on different kernels of any particular Linux distribution, you have to go to the playlist of that Linux distribution, and at the end of the playlist you will see those videos and you can watch them. First the single core test are going to run, and then the multi-core test will run. Then we will compare the scores between the two kernels of Pop! OS 24.04 LTS and then compare them with the results we obtained in other Linux distributions using different kernels, different schedulers and other parameters. This power profiles also we tested in Debian, OpenSUSE. We changed the power profiles, we changed the governors. In CacheOS we could even change the schedulers also. Different types of schedule extended schedulers we did it. So it was very interesting, very technical, and I am sure you will appreciate it, because when I uploaded the videos, immediate response was a little bit lukewarm, but later on people started to understand what I am doing, and I am still hopeful that those videos will go in thousands of viewers by the end of this year, because it is still catching up steam. It is getting discovered by more and more viewers, and slowly it will climb up the charts in number of views. The single core tests are completed and multi-core tests have started. and mind well that we have been using the balanced power profile here. So there are three power profiles available here: battery, balanced and high performance. We are using the balanced power profile for the test, and maybe we will do high performance test also with high performance power profile, and then we will test the two kernels again. So first let us finish with the balanced power profile, and then we can do the high performance test also. And we are keeping the laptop in AC power mode. We are not using the battery mode, we are using the power AC power mode. The charger is connected with the laptop. So the tests are about to get completed, and the results will come up in a web page. We will open the link here. Let us open the link here. Open the link. So the test scores are before your eyes. 1261 is the single core score and 3702 is the multi-core score. And this is the result information, the timestamp, the system information, CPU information. This is the memory information. This is the single core performance. Each individual test scores are given. I will just go down slowly and slowly, so you can take a good look. Now the multi-core performance individual scores are coming up on your screen. So the multi-core scores for the generic kernel of Pop! OS 24.04 is very good, and the single core score is just about same as in other Linux distribution, but this score is very good for Pop! OS 24.04. and we had tested this generic kernel. I will just show you again the generic kernel. The kernel version is 6.18. It is one of the latest kernels that are available in the Ubuntu repositories. So this kernel is being used in Pop! OS 24.04 LTS. This is current as on today's date, 1st March. This kernel is available and we are used that kernel. And the power profile was balanced power profile. And next test we will do the same test on Licorice kernel we have installed, and once that is completed we will again repeat the two tests on the generic and Licorice kernel with the high performance power mode enabled. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.